Let's run over and check out the white truck. Look at how much bird poop is on one truck. I can't believe it. That's the new paint job. Anybody want a nice paint job? Come over to Ovi's and drop your truck under this tree. You'll have a clapped out paint job. Thank you, birds. What's going on, ladies and gentlemen? Welcome back to Ovi's shop. We are checking in on things because he is out of town this week. He is in Caraco or something like that, down by Aruba. He had a day at Aruba. He's been posting some crazy things on his Snap stories. If you guys don't follow him on there, check out the crazy adventures he goes on. Maybe we can get some clips or some pictures on here. If not, it's all good. He's in the 85 to 90 degree range, and we are back here in the 20s in Illinois, freezing our tail off, or Antarctica, as Gabe would say. But we are on, what do you call it? Fish duty today. We have to check on the fish. It looks like maybe we had a holiday party out here or something, Ove, and giant Jenga blocks. Who doesn't love that? But we are making sure the fish are alive and well, which they are, and we got the food, only the best. Alex's premium. So anyways, feeding the fish, checking on the bucket that collects from the HVAC system, dumping out that, cleaning up a little bit, got some bags of trash over there, just trying to, you know, make the place look nice for when he returns. So anyways, guys, we got a lot of stuff to do in today's video, so we can hop right to it. All right, we have been working a lot on my daily driver lately. If you're new to the channel, go back and check some of them videos out. We do have the Denali out with us today because we have something special for you guys. This thing is gonna have to go away for the winter because it did snow a little bit this morning. We got the 24x12s on there, chrome, which is not good for the Midwest salt that we're about to endure here, and that is terrible. But anyways, today is all about tires, guys. We love mud tires, MT, maybe they're Midwest tires, that's what it should stand for. But what are you guys into? You like mud tires, all-terrain, drag slicks, whatever. We got a new tire in here that we're gonna put on the daily driver. Oh boy, burn, I'm cold. Roll that sucker out. Whoa, boom, boom, boom. And take a strap with you. That didn't go as planned at all. Let's get this booger in the shop and check this out. Oh gosh, it's so much nicer in the warm heated shop. Ovi, you're amazing, buddy, for warming this place up. Anyways, let's see, Russian roulette here. What is it gonna be? Wheel of Fortune. We have the TIS TT1 right here. So anyways, guys, if it's not obvious by now, today's video has been sponsored by TIS Off-Road Wheels and Tires. So I'm super grateful to have those guys rock with us little YouTubers. They're a super big brand. I know you guys have heard of them. They are an industry leader in wheels. If you can't tell on the TV behind me, wheels and tires now. So they offer all kinds of products, guys. Get on the website. Custom Offsets works with them and all kinds of other local shops. They are super, super epic. They offer something for everybody. So get on there. My wife, Tori, actually chose a set of their wheels for her Jeep, which we've done videos on in the past. And now we are going to try out the tires here on my daily driver. So I'm super excited about that. I have some old all-terrain tires. Now we got the MT tires, so gonna get a little bit more tread, a little more traction, especially when we're here in the Midwest, like I said, for winter time and for everything else. My current tires like to spin out on just the littlest bit of rain. So anyways, let's get a closer look at these tires and we'll get right back into it. All right, guys, so here's a close look at the TT1s. In conjunction with Hercules tires, you can see here, we have a set of 33, 12.5s, 22s that are gonna go on the daily driver. And just look at how epic this looks with the TIS logos built in there. And it says TIS, Team TIS down here. Looks absolutely incredible. What an eye for detail on this tire. There's TIS Offroad, and look at how aggressive the tread pattern looks. I cannot wait to see these on the truck. Probably gonna rub a little bit, but we'll let Nate and the guys at OTR help us out there. Super, super excited to get in the shop there. But thanks again, Ovi, for letting us film out here. And let's get down to OTR and get these things installed, guys. All right, so we're all set up down here at the shop. We got Hunter out here today, gonna help us. It's a beautiful day out here, so we're out in the sun today. The shop's full. You'll see that here in a minute, but we're gonna pull these rear tires off and probably do, what are we gonna do, one at a time, or what's the plan here?
2 on the rear, and then we'll have to do 1 each on the front because the lift is occupied at the moment.
Occupied. Boss man's got it, don't he?
He does.
It's busy in there. You guys are swamped, man.
It is.
That's
Always.
good. Yeah, always is good. Business is good. So as you can see on these tires, they've had plenty of fun in their life, starting to crack down in there a little bit.
They're getting down there.
Probably ran them a lot longer than I should have, but that's okay. And believe it or not, I'm going to try to keep one, so we're going to pick out the best tire when we're done here because Ovi wants one because he blew one out on the way to work today. So we're going to try to hook Ovi up too. Why not, you know? So we're going to try to pick out the best tire and give back because we never get to help Ovi out. So anytime we can, you know we love doing it. Plus, this old tread pattern is not near as cool as the new one's going to be. So we'll take a look under here too and see how everything else looks, do a brake check, and just any maintenance. Everything costs money, of course, but that's all right. A lot of tires going on around the shop. You guys will see in a minute when we get inside. But yeah, we'll kind of go through the process here, and yeah, stick around. I told you we got a bunch of tires in here today. He's under there working. There's Boss Man under there. And we got copyrighted music playing, but we'll try to avoid that for now. We got the tire machine going over here, you can see. Oh, look at it, just clamped right on there. Yeah, there ain't nothing to it. Yeah, those look a lot better. I'm just scared they're gonna rub like crazy. I know, I'm so... As long as you have a grinder here, we can cut that bumper. I just didn't know if you seen any of that. All right, look at the first one on there. Look at that bad boy. Sheesh. Boy, that looks aggressive already. I love it. Woo! A lot better than that thing. Jeez, what a difference. Them weren't even real tires before, boy. They don't do it like 200 miles an hour.
Oh gosh, no.
Like a dyno. Look at the 10-inch tip on that. That's an 8 or a 10. That sucker is massive on the old LLY or something out here, boy. But we've got the tires out here in the sun, and look at how epic the first couple turned out. Oh boy, them are heavy. But look at that aggressive tread. Look at how much better that's gonna look. Actually makes me like the truck again now, but wow. That's gonna be insane, dude. They look great. Dang, them are hot. It's actually better that we're outside so we can get a good shot of them, but whew, what do you guys think? Wow. All right, now time for the fronts. Here goes nothing. Scared to put them back on though. Very nervous about this bumper right here. It is definitely not gonna want to turn. We're gonna have to address that here after we see how bad it is, but I don't love it at all. And how about a big thumbs up for the LBZ? That thing was skating, boy. Big dually with the big tip on the back. That thing was ripping. That's what it's all about right there. Just rolling the last one out of the shop here. Oh boy, that grill looks good. I keep forgetting the new grill's on there. That looks hot. But here we are putting the last one on, and then we can do the old turn test. That's the least part of this I want to be doing right now, is turning. We'll just go straight for the rest of our lives. No turns necessary. Unfortunately, there's a lot of turns necessary. Look at the stance even sticking out with no spacers. That looks real good. Dang, it would look good with some spacers.
Be wide.
Might have to. All right, now just getting our final torques on there. That way they don't come flying off when we go skating down the highway here. We'll take it easy at first. And now the hubcaps are going back on. Oh, those look nice and clean. And voila, that's all she wrote, folks. Look at it. Oh yeah, so much better now. I love seeing it from the distance. Look at it. Close that door. What you doing there, boy? There it is. That's the money shot right there. Now we just got to turn it. Oh, okay. Oh! Yeah, just by notching that out just a little bit, guys, we got full turning radius in the front now. It does hit a little bit at full tilt here on the back, but we're not going to mess with it. It honestly might turn better than it did before even, so thank you, man. That's way sick. You've been quite the help today. Yeah. And now you're going to be on YouTube. Better. Yeah, it does. It looks so good, dude. Nice. It changed the whole look of the truck. Yeah, big shout out to TIS, guys. This is quite a job well done. Boy, I love it. Well, guys, we are just getting things wrapped up here down at OTR. Just a big shout out to these guys again. Thank you, Nate, Hunter, everybody down here, Chris, everyone for taking care of me time and time again down here. Again, we kept a couple tires for Ovi so he can pick one to put on his daily for now till he gets some new tires. And then, of course, thank you guys and TIS for sponsoring this video. Check them out, guys. It totally changed the look of this truck, and I know you think I'm just saying that, but I'm not. I freaking love it, and this truck looks a million times better, and it's making me fall in love with it again. So with that being said, guys, like, share, and subscribe, and we will see y'all in the next video. God bless you all. Peace. There he is, coming through with it. Now I'll cut that first part out. And we'll put the part with him on a helmet on there.